From the dawn of human self-awareness, we have grappled with a fundamental question. What shapes who we are? Are we products of our innate biological inheritance, hardwired from birth with predetermined traits and tendencies? Or are we rather molded by our experiences, sculpted by the environments we inhabit and the interactions that color our lives? This is the crux of the nature versus nurture debate, a debate as old as the study of humanity itself. This debate permeates our understanding of human behavior, influencing how we approach everything from child-rearing practices to criminal justice. It's a debate with profound implications for how we understand ourselves as individuals and as a species. The reality, as with most things in life, is far more nuanced than a simple either-or proposition. Rather than a dichotomy, nature and nurture operate in a complex and intricate dance, each influencing and being influenced by the other. Untangling the threads of this intricate tapestry is a challenge that has captivated thinkers for centuries, and it continues to shape our understanding of what it means to be human.
Section 4. Nature and nurture entwined, a complex interplay. Rather than viewing nature and nurture as opposing forces locked in a perpetual tug-of-war, it's more accurate to envision them as two sides of the same coin. They are inextricably intertwined, each influencing and being influenced by the other in a complex and dynamic interplay. Consider the development of language. We are born with a biological predisposition for language acquisition, an innate capacity to learn and process language. However, this capacity is realized only through exposure to language in our environment. Without that crucial environmental input, our innate language abilities remain dormant. This interplay between nature and nurture is evident in virtually every aspect of human development. Our genes might predispose us to certain personality traits, but our environment can influence how those traits are expressed. Similarly, our upbringing might shape our values, but our genes can influence how we prioritize and act upon those values.
Section 5. The enduring significance of the nature versus nurture debate. The nature versus nurture debate remains a cornerstone of psychology, education, and countless other fields. It's a debate with far-reaching implications for how we understand human behavior, development, and the very essence of what it means to be human. This debate informs our approaches to education, helping us tailor learning environments to best nurture children's innate abilities. It guides our understanding of mental health, allowing us to develop more effective treatments and interventions. And it shapes our societal policies, influencing everything from criminal justice reform to social welfare programs. Far from being a mere academic exercise, the nature versus nurture debate grapples with questions that lie at the very heart of the human experience. It's a debate that forces us to confront our assumptions about free will, determinism, and the malleability of human nature.
Section 6. Beyond the binary. Embracing the complexity of human development. As our understanding of genetics and neuroscience continues to advance, the nature versus nurture debate is becoming increasingly nuanced. We are moving beyond simplistic either-or explanations and embracing the complex interplay between genes, environment, and individual experiences. This shift in perspective acknowledges that we are not simply products of our genes or our upbringing, but rather agents in our own development. We are active participants in shaping who we become, making choices and engaging in behaviors that can modify the expression of our genes and influence the course of our lives. The nature versus nurture debate is not a battle to be won or lost, but rather an ongoing exploration into the intricate tapestry of human development. By embracing the complexity of this interplay, we gain a deeper appreciation for the multifaceted forces that shape who we are and the infinite possibilities that lie within each of us.